I'm trying to get it off. I'm trying to get it off. That shit is nasty.
Get him off.
That shit is
Don't
nasty.
get
That shit is nasty.
If this was my car, I'd be pissed! Trying to break the world record for gunfights of the week. This is not the time to criticize. I can't work with you blaming shit on me all the time. This is not your fault. This is not your fault. No. No. Bullshit, Mike. Everything's your fault. They got the coffin! Move! Get out! Please! Get out! He under there? We lost the coffin, and you barbecued our only lead, Mike. This has got to be the worst, most emotional cop week of my life. Yeah, it's been a little rough.
Where were these bodies going?
I don't know. It's really strange. All the John Does we found out here are empty.
Empty doughs. Fat doughs.
They cut them open, took the organs out, sewed them back up.
Nice work. The more you guys fuck up, the more we look like rock stars, baby.
The van you was chasing is a transport for the city morgue. These John Does here were being delivered to the university for medical research.
Nice going.
I can't believe you guys. Do you both wake up in the morning, call each other up? Good morning, Marcus. Good morning, Mike. How you doing? right? So, how are we gonna fuck up the captain's life today? Gee, I don't know. Ooh, look, over there. Let's kill 3 fat people and leave them on the street.
Hey, they were dead before we ran over them.
It doesn't matter whether they were dead or not. God damn it. Every time you leave a corpse on the street, I have to get these forensic coroner guys to come in to see what happened. Then I gotta get detectives, detecting shit. Then I gotta get these forensic guys to stick them back in the fucking bag. Jesus Christ! You guys, you're like a bunch of blood-sucking ticks draining the life's blood out of this department. Woosah.
Damn the woosah, Captain. Did you just call me a tick?
I was referring to him.
Captain, these are not normal corpses.
If I threw you out of a speeding ice truck and then ran over your head, you wouldn't be normal either.
Think about this for 1 second. All of these bodies have been emptied out. If I'm a drug smuggler that just happens to own a mortuary and I got a bunch of bodies hanging around with plenty of room in them, I could smuggle some shit. Johnny Tapia has the perfect cover.
Whoa. Johnny Tapia?
Yes, and I want a warrant to go into his mortuary immediately.
No warrant. What? For what? For a bunch of dead guys on their way to med research? No. Every time we go after him, he sues us and wins. This shit stops now, or they'll fire us, disband TNT, and stick me in a fucking coffin. This is over now.
What happened to whatever it takes?
That was pre-vehicular manslaughter, not to mention Johnny Tapia. The fuck is that?
Oh, shit. Shut up.
This man has violated my rights.
What the fuck is that? See, I mean, running people over is not enough for you? Now you're into kidnapping?
Captain, that man is a criminal, okay? We busted him at the...
Me. I have so much brass up my ass. I could be playing the Star-Spangled Banner.
I ain't cut out for this, man.
Come on, man. I can't do this with you right now.
I'm reevaluating what's important.
About what? Being a cop?
No, about you being my partner.
Is this about Sid? God. Hey, Marcus, man.
That was messed up, but that ain't what this is about, Mike. Once we nail Tapia, you and me, we're over. I already signed my transfer papers.